Do you dream of building a secure financial future but feel overwhelmed by the options? Fidelity Investments has been a trusted name in finance for decades, offering solutions tailored to your needs. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned pro, Fidelity has the tools and resources to help you succeed. Stick around as we explore what makes Fidelity Investments the ultimate partner for achieving your financial goals. Fidelity Investments is a name synonymous with trust, innovation, and results in the financial world. But what makes them stand out among the competition? Let's break it down, step by step. 1. Retirement planning. Planning for retirement can feel daunting, but Fidelity makes it easier than ever. They offer a variety of retirement accounts, including traditional and Roth IRAs, 401k, rollovers, and even simple IRAs for small businesses. What sets Fidelity apart is its advanced retirement calculators and planning tools. For example, their retirement score tool lets you project your future savings and see if you're on track to meet your goals. With Fidelity, you're not just saving, you're strategizing for a brighter future. Visuals of someone reviewing a retirement plan with a smile. 2. Diverse investment options. Whether you're interested in stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, or bonds, Fidelity has you covered. They offer access to thousands of investment options, making it easy to diversify your portfolio. One of their standout features is their zero expense ratio mutual funds, meaning no fees are charged for managing these funds. This innovation allows you to maximize your returns and minimize costs, a game changer in the world of investing. 3. Comprehensive financial tools. Fidelity isn't just about offering options, they empower you to make informed decisions. Their robust suite of financial tools includes real-time stock analysis, market research, and customizable dashboards. New to investing? Fidelity's Learning Center provides free educational content tailored to beginners, helping you build confidence as you grow your portfolio. 4. Personalized financial advice. For those looking for tailored guidance, Fidelity's financial advisors are a perfect fit. Whether you prefer one-on-one consultations or a tech-driven approach with Fidelity's robo-advisors, they cater to your unique financial situation. 5. Unmatched customer support. Last but not least, Fidelity is renowned for its customer service. With 24/7 support via phone, chat, or email, help is always just a call or click away. They also have physical branches across the U.S., so you can get in-person support whenever you need it. Why Fidelity Investments? Fidelity combines cutting-edge technology, expert advice, and customer-first service to create a seamless experience for investors at every stage of their journey. They've built their reputation on trust and reliability, ensuring your financial success is always their top priority. With Fidelity Investments, you're not just investing your money, you're investing in a brighter future. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on building wealth, mastering investments, and achieving financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and here's to taking charge of your financial journey with Fidelity Investments.